Student, today we will solve this question. So question state, four bricks each of length L are put on the top of one another, figure in such a way that the part of each extend beyond the one beneath for the largest equilibrium extension. So what the question is saying that we have to place each bricks is extended beyond the beneath one and in such a way that we get a maximum extension, overall maximum extension of this. Okay, so let's try it. So before that, to solve this question, you require a prior knowledge of how things are balanced. So for any body, that is say, it will be balanced if the center of mass is within the base of the body, right? If let us say we have toppled the body in such a way that the center of mass goes beyond the base, it will topple. It is not stable. So if we have only two bricks in that scenario, we know to balance the first bricks, the center of mass will lie in the base of the support, right? In that case, the maximum extension we will get when the center of mass is at a corner, right? So in this scenario, what will be maximum extension? It will be the L by 2. Similarly, to solve the 4 bricks problem, let us say each have extended by some x1, it is x by x2, and this is by x3. Okay, so look the first bricks. To support the first bricks on a second bricks, the center of mass of this first brick should be at the maximum extension we will get when the center of mass is at a corner of the second brick, right? So in this case we can simply say L1 will be the L by 2, x1 will be the L by 2. Okay, now come to the how can we find the L2. So if we watch the third bricks, it have to support the first one and second one both, right? So in that scenario, what the center of mass of both above bricks should be at a corner of third bricks, right? In that case we will get a maximum extension. So how can we solve it? So let us, I'm redrawing again. It is x2 and this is x1. Okay, so let us say we are taking for simplicity origin here, so this will be the L by 2, right? So in the maximum extension, the center of mass of both above bricks should be at a corner of third brick. So by that L by 2 should equal to the center of mass of first and second bricks. So it will be the mass of first bricks into center of mass of first one plus mass of second bricks, center of mass of second bricks, and divide by 2n. So what will the center of mass of this what will the center of mass of this bricks? So if we haven't extended this bricks, if x2 is 0, in that scenario center of mass will be the at origin, right? So we have extended by L2 x2. In that scenario the center of mass of second bricks will be the x2. Similarly, if we have to find the center of mass of first bricks, it is total it extended by the x1 plus x2. Okay, so the center of mass of first brick should be the x1 plus x2 and center of mass of second bricks is only x2. Okay, so that is, we put the value here, m is cancelled out, divide by 2, first center of mass of first plus center of mass of second. So if we get 2 2x2 plus x1 divided by 2 is equal to L by 2. So what we have got? Okay. We know the x1 is equal to L by 2 for maximum extension. So then we can find the x2. It will be came out to be L by 4. Similarly, we will solve for x3. x1, x2, x3. So if we see the bottom one have to support all 3 bricks. In that scenario, if we want to get a maximum extension of this overall body, the center of mass, we can extend center of mass at a corner of the bottom bricks, right? So in this scenario, if we consider origin here, it will be the L by 2. So center of mass will be at L by 2 for above 3 bricks relative to this point. And if we find a center of mass of each body, so first the center of mass of first body will be the x1 plus x2 plus x3. Similarly for x2, similarly for second bricks, it will be the x2 plus x3, and for third bricks it will only x3. Okay, so we will solve this question. All have same masses. Plus mx3 is divided by 3m. Okay, so what we will get, 3L by 2 is equal to, if we solve, we will get x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3. We know the value of x1 and x2, right? So let's plug in the value. It will be L by 2, and this will be the 2L by 4 equal to 3x3. So by solving, you will get the x3 is equal to L by 6. Okay, so you gotten the all value. You will got L1 is equal to x2 is equal to L by 4, and x3 is equal to L by 6. So extension of each one is in a decreasing order. So let us come to the what is asking a question. Let us see each option. First I am writing the x1 and x1 is L by 2, x2 is L by 4, and x3 is L by 6. The first option is the top bricks overhanging the one below by L by 4. But what we have gotten, the top one is hanging by L by 2 only, right? So the first option is incorrect. Similarly, if we what the second option saying, the second bricks from the top overhanging the one below by L by 4. Yeah, that is correct. Second option is correct. The third bricks from the top overhanging by bottom by L by 6. This is also correct. And the total overhanging length of edge of the bottom bricks is 12 by 11. So this is saying this is 12 by 11. Let us verify. The total overhanging length will be the sum of all 3. So what we will get, L by 4 plus L by 6. So by solving, 12, 6L plus 3L plus 2L, right? So it will be the 11 by 12L. So I think third option is also correct. So B and C and D are correct option.